If you've been looking at Microsoft data certifications, you already know they're not cheap. The good news is that right now, you can cut that price in half because there's a limited time offer for a 50% discount voucher on data exams such as the PL-300, DP-900, DP-600, and DP-700 exam. Let me show you exactly how to grab one, and don't worry, it's just a few steps. First, you need to join the Microsoft Fabric community, but most of you data professionals are probably members already. Next up, you need to fill out the form on this page. You will have a link in the description below, and don't worry, it only takes a few details like your country, which exam you want to take, and why you're going for it. For the question on who shared this page with you, just copy the link to this YouTube video. By the way, if you enjoy videos on how to get free or discounted Microsoft certifications, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you're aware of all the opportunities. Next up, you need to complete one of the skill challenges on Microsoft Learn, and don't worry, it's free. You have the links on that same page, and even better, those resources help you study for the exam, so it's kind of a win-win. Finally, of course, agree to the terms and conditions. Now, I know the fine print is long, but here are the important details that you need to know. You only get one voucher per person. It's first come, first served, and it's capped at the first 10,000 eligible applications. The offer closes on October 3rd, or sooner if the vouchers run out, so apply right away. If you're eligible, your voucher will be sent as a private message on the Fabric community on October 10th, 2025, and you must use it by November 15th, 2025, no extensions. And one caution, if ever you cancel your exam with less than 72 hours before or you don't show up, well, you'll lose the voucher. So, who doesn't like 50% off their exam voucher just for filling a form and studying for the exam? And here's a bonus for you all. You're not limited to just this promotion. Microsoft is giving away 15,000 vouchers for 50% off any Microsoft certification. Want to know how to grab one of those too? Check out the video that's on your screen right now. I'll walk you through that offer as well, step by step. See you in there.